Hello everybody, welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where we teach boomers how to use tech to make their life just a little easier. Hi, I'm Bertrand. Now, in today's episode, we're going to teach you how to use iMessage. iMessage is a very powerful messaging app that Apple uses to communicate with, either text messages or attachments. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your iMessage icon and tap on it. To send a message, you go down and you tap on the new message icon. Now, at the very top, you see it says to. Now, that's going to be, of course, who you send the message to. For example, if you want to send the message to someone, you can just tap on the first letter of their name. So I'll tap on the Q, and you notice all of these comes up. So I'll tap on Quark Brown, now at the very bottom there you have something that says subject. So you type in the subject, and then directly below that you have something, your text message. You tap on that. And then you tap send. Now you have sent a message. To delete the message, you tap on the arrow, and now it gives you options. You can pin it, which means that you can place the message on your phone. You can mark it as unread, you can hide alerts, or you can delete it. I'm going to tap delete. Now the message is deleted. Now there are two other ways that you can send messages. Let me show you how to do it. The second way to send a message is, again, we go and we create a new message. And then you see this plus sign over here. You tap on that, and now it will give you a list of all of the people in your contact. And then you just choose one. And of course you type your message. Now, the third way that you can send a message, and my most favorite way, is simply by talking your message in. And here's how to do it. So at the bottom, you'll notice that you have a microphone icon. So you tap the microphone and watch this. So when you tap the microphone, it's going to automatically start to record your message and put it in a typed format. And then you simply click to send. Now, let's say that you want to send some effects with your message. Perhaps you want some hearts or some type of dramatic way for your message to get to the individual. Here's how you do that. So you tap in a message. Then you tap and hold. And now you'll notice that effects will come up. You can slam the message, you can make it loud, you can make it gentle, you can send invisible ink, you can send bubbles, or you can send a screen. Then you tap send. Now the message is sent with those special effects. So how do you delete a message? It's very simple. You just tap on the message, and then you tap more. And now you can select all of the messages. Now you can select the message, and then you tap the delete. And then you tap delete again. Now the message is deleted. Let's say that you want to send a picture or a link to someone. Here's how to do it. And when you tap the plus, you'll notice that this option comes up. Now you have all of these options that you can do. You can send a photograph, a YouTube, a sticker. You can even send money or something from your camera. And if you want more options, you click on more, and it's going to show you everything in here that you can send. So I want to send a photo, so I'll tap the photo icon and I'll choose a photo, and then I'll type in a message, and then I'll tap send. Now the message is sent. Now let's look at some more options that you have in messages. If you tap the filter at the top, you can now select what type of filter you want to use. If you want all messages, you tap all messages and it will show you all the messages that you have. If you tap known senders, it will tap all the messages that you have sent that you know. And if you tap unknown senders, it will also show you that as well. Or you can tap unread and it will show you it. Now, if you deleted some messages and you want to find them, you can go to recent deleted and tap it. And it will give you a list of all of the messages that you have for the last 30 days. Now, this has been a video showing you how to use your iMessage on your iPhone. If you found value in this quick tutorial, please give us a like. More importantly, hit the subscribe button. And in the comment section, let me know what app would you like for me to demonstrate on your channel. I'm Bertrand. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show, and I'll see you in our next video.